Welcome to qnawire.
Okay, for this one, in part A, they're saying that assuming standard conditions, we want to arrange the following in order of increasing strength as oxidizing agents in acidic conditions. And they give us, so we want to go increasing strength as oxidizing agents. And the substances they give us are Cr2O7 2 minus, H2O2, Cu2 plus, Cl2, and O2. So to figure out their strength as an oxidizing agent, okay, so if they're an oxidizing agent, that means they're being reduced. So we really want to go trying to figure out their reduction potential. So if you go look up the reduction potential for all of these, I'm going to just write it underneath, but this is E for all of these. This is the reduction potential for all of these, okay? This one is positive 1.33 volts. This is positive 1.78 volts. This is positive 0.034 volts. Positive 1.36 volts, and positive 1.23 volts. Okay, so we want to increasing strength as an oxidizing agent. So first off, the weakest oxidizing agent. The weakest oxidizing agent is the one, if it's an oxidizing agent, it's being reduced. The one that's least likely to be reduced is our smallest positive number here. So this is our weakest oxidizing agent, and then we're just going to go up from there. So this is the second one. Here's 3, here's 4, and here's the fifth strongest. That's my strongest oxidizing agent. Right, that's part A. In part B, we are to arrange the given substances in order of increasing strength as reducing agents. Okay, so this time we're looking at increasing strength as reducing agents. So again, we want to look at our, first off, let me go ahead and write out the substances that we're looking at here. We've got Zn, I minus, Sn2 plus, H2O2, and Al. And again, I'm going to need to find their reduction potentials. So I'm going to go look all those up, and I get reduction potential here is negative 7.76 volts. I minus is positive 0.54 volts. Sn2 plus is negative 0.14 volts. This again from up above is positive 1.78 volts, and aluminum negative 1.66 volts. Okay, so we want to go, we're looking for reducing agents. Reducing agents are what are being oxidized. So the substance that's least likely to be oxidized is going to be our one with our that's most likely to be reduced. So it's the one with our biggest positive number. So that's the least likely to be oxidized. So positive, we're going to go kind of big positive towards 0 and down to negative as being our increasing strength as a reducing agent. So that's 1. Our next biggest positive number, that is that one. Then we get hit the negatives, and so we want to go increasing kind of absolute value here of our negative numbers. This is 4, and then this is our strongest reducing agent.